CBD. It's being studied all around the world for various physical, mental, emotional, neurodegenerative, neurological, and other conditions. And I really compulsively read the latest research. I'm always scanning the internet. I'm pouring through journals, online academic journals, as much as I possibly can. But this is just one of my favorite areas. CBD, cannabidiol, and all of the benefits we can get from this natural plant-based medicine. So among the many topics that I've studied, opioid use disorder is one of them, and it's an important one. It's a life or death topic. So my topic for you today is CBD and opioid use disorder. The opioid crisis, we hear about it on TV, on the radio, online, in newspapers, everywhere. It's impacting the United States and other parts of the world, and it continues to negatively affect society as a whole, as well as take people's lives. Because science is seeking, always, better and safer treatment options, many are turning to the possibility of CBD becoming a plant-based and all-natural remedy for opioid use disorder. What is opioid use disorder? It's a chronic medical condition characterized by compulsive opioid use, cravings, withdrawal symptoms, and continued use despite knowing about all of the harmful consequences that can be a part of its use. Common opioids include prescription painkillers. You've heard of these: oxycodone, hydrocodone, heroin, and one of the most deadly, fentanyl. Evidence-based and common treatments today include methadone, naltrexone, behavior therapy, and counseling. These treatments are proven to reduce overdose and improve survival. So how can CBD possibly help opioid use disorder? After scanning through the articles, I've come up with 3 main ways that CBD can help. Despite treatments available, and we do have many, researchers are still looking for safer, more mild therapies for opioid use disorder, including CBD, which is cannabidiol. While research is definitely in its infancy and is ongoing, there are at least 3 main benefits that I could share with you now of CBD for opioid use disorder. Benefit number 1, CBD can reduce cravings. A 2019 randomized controlled trial found that CBD reduced craving and anxiety among individuals remaining abstinent of heroin exposed to drug cues. What that means is they weren't using, but then they were subject to the substance, which would mean they might really want it. The study also found that CBD lowers the stress response to drug exposure in general. Bottom line, some people in a study used heroin, and during the study, they used CBD to reduce their cravings and stress when they were exposed to the drug. Benefit number 2, CBD reduces stress and anxiety. Because stress and anxiety are major triggers. We're talking about prevention here. Major triggers for relapse. CBD can be effective in controlling emotions that might lead to drug use or relapse. CBD has been shown to specifically reduce symptoms of social anxiety disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and general stress response. And these studies go back 20 years ago. For instance, public speaking. I read articles where individuals who have phobic reactions. I think it is still the number one phobia in America, presenting, officially, professionally presenting to others. So there were some individuals in an experiment who took CBD, and it reduced their speaking, presenting anxiety. Third benefit, pain management. Pain management, opioid use, that makes sense, doesn't it? Although this is an indirect benefit, many individuals develop opioid use disorder after using prescription pain medications. And it's well known in the literature that CBD has anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects and can be used as a possible adjunct for chronic pain and a potential opioid sparing action. My final thoughts on CBD for opioid use disorder. This is a major social and personal issue affecting a great number of people. Although there are medications that can better manage symptoms, experts are still searching for better alternatives that are natural and safer. CBD checks some of these boxes and more. More research and time will tell if it can be successful in treating opioid use disorder and improve the lives of people who are living with it. There you have it. I also have the article published online. I love to read. I love to get in front of the camera and share as much information as I possibly can with you. Check out what I'm doing online. It's very active. My blog, drjimcollins.com. My email address, if you'd like to correspond, jim@collinslearning. Collinslearning.com is my company that provides online compliance training to healthcare professionals in senior care. And CEU Academy, continuing education for licensed healthcare professionals. If you need CEUs, check out ceu.academy. I'm Dr. Jim Collins. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. And I'd like to introduce you to my book, Living Longer and Stronger with CBD. I had to write this after reading between 500, 550, 600 medical articles written and published all over the world. I had to condense the findings into one easy-to-read book on the health benefits of CBD for physical disorders, for mental, emotional conditions, for neurological and neurodegenerative health problems. I guarantee you, you are going to find this book very helpful for yourself, for friends, colleagues, family members. It's on sale at Amazon.com, but you can check it out at drjimcollins.com. That's drjimcollins.com, or follow the link, okay? So thank you again for your time, and check out Living Longer and Stronger with CBD.